as to exactly what was happening. We do know that police were alerted that Gaza had to witness this man go on this tirade and question.
Morning everyone. 6:10 in the morning. What's the temperature? 14 degrees, not very cold. Anyway, I thought I'd go for a ride to Beechmont and fly the drone. Oh, look at that guy over there in his scooter with the little headlight on. He's wearing a helmet. Good on him. Look at him. Alright, here we go. Turn up the volume on the radio. Don't know why, but I've got to turn the media down and then turn it up, even though it was already up. I can't figure that one out, but anyway. I can listen to the radio. Oh, let's get out of here. Well, that was easier than I thought, getting out on traffic. Lucky there was a break in traffic so I could get back on the road. Another scooter. This guy doesn't have a headlight, but he's got a helmet. Now, if I was in the United States, I would be able to do this left turn or right turn to be in the States because they're on the opposite side of the road. But I would be able to turn here with even though it's a red light and there was no traffic coming across my path or in the way, I could have turned. Even without a green arrow, I still would have been a legal turn in the United States. Some mornings you'll come down here and it will be just like a car park, it'll be barely moving. But there's plenty of gaps in the traffic. Very unusual. Okay, so Nerang Main Street. Price Street is the main street, straight through. And if you head that way, down at Broadbeach, you'll come out at the casino. Fair way away though, probably about 10 or 15k down that way. Alright, Beechmont, here we come. Beechmont Road closed Monday to Friday, 8:30 to 2:30, 8:30 a.m, 2:30 p.m. because of all the rock slides. And that happened about 18 months ago, I guess. Morning, guys. Lucky, I got the green light.
And Amanda sadly died after being pulled from the water on Sydney's northern beaches.
Got to be close to being finished. Armco railing, resurface, repaint the lines on the road, and Bob's your uncle. Done.
He was with some friends.
Right, that's one down.
By certain lifesavers, he was taken to hospital.
Here's all of the
Critical condition, and sadly,
downward traffic. Dr. Paint, a guy in front of me, Dr. Paint. I wonder if he's going to paint the road.
It's 20 minutes to 7 o'clock and it's...
This is the second light, so the downward traffic's coming toward us, so it doesn't look like it'll be too long before we get the green light to go up. on you, push bike people, letting us go. Thanks. Alright. Armco railing there, a little bit of Armco railing here on the left. Looks like they've resurfaced it. Probably a little bit more resurfacing to be done. More Armco railing, repainting, and job over. It's been a long time coming. Just listening to the radio while I ride along, they say there's 96 people have died in the wildfires in Maui in Hawaii. And they expect it to go higher in the coming days. And they're calling for people to provide DNA samples to identify some of the deceased. I guess they're burnt pretty badly, can't identify them. Thank you. So they just had on this day on the radio, the 15th of August. So on the 15th of August 1939 was the opening day in Hollywood of the classic movie The Wizard of Oz, starring Judy Garland. And also on this day, 15th of August 1969, was the opening day of Woodstock, the music festival, Woodstock. I have a friend, Howard Michaels, contemporary American artist. He features on my channel previously. And I visited Howard about 6 weeks ago in New Jersey, where he lives. And Howard went to Woodstock. I don't know if he was there for the whole festival or he just went up for one day, I'm not sure. But he was at Woodstock. And great views some of these places would have of the Gold Coast, but by gee, I wouldn't like to be getting the sun first thing in the morning. It would be blinding. In the summertime it would be horrible with the heat. Oh, look at that sun, can't see a damn thing. Alright, here we are, Flying Bean Cafe. Oh, there's no cars here. I'm wondering if it's open. Closed. Bugger. Sorry, closed. Oh well, no coffee at the Flying Bean. Looks like the Outpost Cafe, here I come. Well, there used to be the Headmaster's Cafe here. It's probably been closed for a year at least, which is a shame. But it was on the roundabout, and they call it the Headmaster's Cafe because it was in the old Beechmont State School grounds. It's just on this roundabout on the left. Actually, this wouldn't be a bad place to, yeah, Headmaster's Cafe and Gallery, but it's all shut. Yeah, just in here it was. Actually, it wouldn't be a bad place to fly the drone. Might go in and have a look, check it out. Perfect. Perfect. Alright, let's get this drone out and fly it. And push record, so she's recording. And away we go. Give me the wave. Let's get out of here. Up she goes. That's the Numbinbar Valley looking down at it. Alright, let's bring it back. Yep, bring it back. This is where we are, over this way. Come on. Back you come. Well, here we are. The red roof building is the Headmaster's Cafe. I'm in the car park near it to the about 11 o'clock, I suppose, at that roundabout. This place on the corner here, this white place, is an old church. It's intriguing. Let's go in and have a look at it. Go over and have a hover over it and have a look. In this place here. Yeah, very nice. Okay. Alright, well I think that'll do, so let's bring it home. Return to home. Down she comes. Oh, can't see it. Can't hear it. But it's 16 metres away, so here it is, right here. Here we go. Pretty good. That's where it took off from. Okay, switch it off. Stop recording, turn this off. Turn the drone off. Okay, everything done. It's a shame the Headmaster's Cafe had to close up and go out of business. I think the pandemic didn't do them any good. Yeah, same with the Flying Bean Cafe. The pandemic didn't do them any good either. Anyway, it is what it is. Let's get a coffee.